Portable, versatile, and easy to use, jigsaws deserve a spot in every tool collection. Before you click purchase on any jigsaw, the following reviews compare the 5 best jigsaws you can get right now. There are many products available to choose best jigsaw machine, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best jigsaw machine from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1, Bosch Js 470E Jigsaw. It may not be surprising that the Bosch Js 470E comes in as the best overall jigsaw of this year. When it comes to being smooth and accurate, there is no question that this saw leads the way. In addition to the high performance of the Bosch Jigsaw, it also has some fantastic features that woodworkers from novice to professional will notice and appreciate. One of our favorite things about this powerful saw is the tool-less blade change system. The Bosch is one of the more accurate jigsaws that you will find. The Bosch Js 470E is a 7-amp variable speed unit capable of cutting through wood, steel, and a variety of other materials. The Bosch Jigsaw will work on wood almost 6 inches thick and a little less than 1/2 inch for steel. All in all, we think that this is the best jigsaw of this year. Number 2, BLACK+DECKER BDEJS 600C Jigsaw. With some fantastic features and a price that's hard to beat, the BLACK+DECKER Smart Select Jigsaw is easily the best jigsaw for the money. Generally, when you look at a value-priced jigsaw, you will have to give up quite a few features. That's not the case here. The 5-amp motor isn't the best in class, but the Smart Select allows you to adjust the orbit to one of 4 settings. It's powerful enough to cut through a variety of materials at 3000 strokes per minute (SPM) with a 3/4 inch stroke length. You can set this unit to make a 45-degree bevel cut. It's a very manageable saw with a weight of only 4.6 pounds. Even though it's light, the vibration wasn't excessive since the handle seemed to dampen it during operation. Finally, it comes equipped with a 2-year warranty. It will not be as smooth or as powerful as the number 1 choice, but it's still a great option. Number 3, Dewalt DCS 331B Jigsaw. For all of your cordless fans out there, hopefully, we didn't keep you waiting too long. The third choice on our list is the Dewalt DCS 331B Jigsaw, which is the best cordless jigsaw of this year. Dewalt knows what they are doing when it comes to cordless tools. This jigsaw is no exception. The DS331B comes with 4-position orbital action and no annoying cord to block your work. Cordless jigsaws make the task at hand much more accessible, but they generally lack some power. Capable of 3000 SPM, the cordless Dewalt offers as much blade speed and cutting power as the corded version. In fact, there was really one complaint we had about this unit. While the Dewalt does have a blower, it's completely ineffective. This makes it difficult to see your line to make straight cuts. However, we still think that this is one of the best cordless jigsaws on the market. Number 4, Makita JV0600K Jigsaw. Continuing Makita's tradition of high-quality tools, the Makita JV0600K Jigsaw is a 6.5-amp saw with 3 orbital settings. You can use the Makita in a variety of materials, and it has excellent power and control. Capable of producing 3100 SPM at a stroke length of 3/4 inch. Although it's very powerful, it's surprisingly low in vibration thanks to the internal counterbalance system. Just like many of the other jigsaws we have reviewed, the Makita comes with a toolless blade release. One of our favorite features on this saw is a dust port for an attachable vacuum. The Makita blades are of excellent quality, but they are higher priced than other options on the market. If you know that you will go through many jigsaw blades in a year, you may want to consider a different option. Number 5, Porter Cable PCE 345 Jigsaw. At 6 pounds, this Porter Cable jigsaw is pretty stout. At 6 amps, it's also powerful. With a stroke length of 13/16 and a max speed of 3200 SPM, this is one of the faster saws available. It has variable speed that's controlled by a dial built into the trigger. The trigger itself is not variable. The 3-year warranty is great considering the affordable price this saw is available at. Unfortunately, it's got some drawbacks that should be mentioned. Aside from this, it cut very smoothly and the cut was clean, but it just didn't want to stay straight. The other glaring weakness is the lack of a dust port. It felt like this saw was just blowing the sawdust right into our faces, which of course makes it quite difficult to see what you're cutting.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.